Ever wonder what happens if lightning strikes your car? You might be surprised, you're actually safer inside than outside. When lightning hits, electricity travels along the car's metal surface, not through you. Why? Because of something called the Faraday cage effect. A Faraday cage is any enclosed metal structure that channels electricity around, not through, the space inside. Your car's body works the same way, so next time you're stuck in a lightning storm, stay inside the car. Science is cool, right? Hit like and subscribe for more simple answers.